Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to explain the chapter determiners. So, determiners itself is the meaning suggests that some words are going to determine the function of noun. Okay, either it is definite or it is indefinite or the number or something like that. So, according to the determiner, it is a word used before a noun to indicate which things or people we are talking about. The words are the, my, this, some, many, etc. are called determiners. Okay. So, we'll see the list. What are the determiners there? So, first I have picked up determiners article. So, he is a good boy, is determiners. The boy you met is my friend. Here, my is determiner. This novel is very interesting. Okay, so this is the determiner. I have some information about the accident. So, the is determiner. There were many people at the station. So, where many is the determiners. So, these are the determiners. Okay, and we will read the use of these determiners. Okay, one by one. So, first I have picked up articles. So, articles are actually two types. Okay, the first articles and the second one is indefinite articles. Definite article is known as the. The is the definite article. It is also read as the or the. Indefinite article is a. A is there, okay, and an is there, an. So I am telling you definite when we have definite person, place, okay. So we use okay the simple meaning definite, or indefinite means we when we have no definite person, okay. So we say a and. So one by one we'll read the use of a and where we use a, where we use an. The first meaning I am telling you the brief that a and is used before countable noun, okay, like a pen, an umbrella. So I will just let you know where an is used. So first we are starting with the definite article the. Okay, we can use the definite article before any common noun. What is common noun? Like boy, like girl. There, what is that? Common noun. We can use the definite article before any common noun. Like he threw the ball into the river. A river is common noun. The boys were not in the class. Here, boys is actually the common noun. So those who are the common noun, they are before that we use article the, definite article. We use definite article to refer to a specific person or things. When we specify something, we use the, like I want to meet the principal. Here the principal is definite principal, okay, a specific principal in the school, and the school also refers to the particular school. The tourist crossed the river in a boat. So here the tourist is the definite tourist, okay, some specific tourist. The definite article used to refer to things that are only one in the world. This is very important. The things that are only one in the world, that is, before that we use the, like the moon, the sun, the star. So they are the only one, the earth, the east, the west, the north, the south. So these are the only one things in the world. We use definite article with the words such as school, university, prison when we are referring to a particular building. These things are used, okay, before these things, okay. The is used when they are referred as as a form of building. Like they will visit the school on Monday. It means he is not a student, he is not a teacher, he might be a worker, he might be a cleaner, okay. Next one, the definite article may be used with the countable nouns that are used in the singular to refer to the things more general. Like if you break the law, you will be punished. So here the law is actually definite article, the is definite article, and it is countable noun is there, okay. He played the violin for half an hour. The violin So countable nouns, okay, used in singular form. The definite article is used to refer to the parts of the body, the hand, the neck, the nose, the leg, okay, the stomach, like this. The definite article is used with time expression. I met her in the evening, in the morning, in the afternoon. This is the explanation. We use the definite article before something that has already been mentioned. Means if it is being mentioned second time, so we use, the boy who the boy who is sitting in the classroom is her brother, like this. The man belonged to Tamil Nadu. I met a man at the station. The article is used before a noun that is followed by a relative clause or a prepositional phrases. Now see the prepositional phrases. The man I met at the station belonged to Haryana. He put the sweater on the table. Relative clause, okay. The definite article is used to refer to familiar things we use regularly, like she looked at the ceiling. Suddenly the lights went out. The definite article is used before dates or periods of time, like we met on the 15th of October. It is popular music of the 1940s. The definite article is generally used before a noun which is followed by of. After of we are using the. This led of the burning of house rendered people homeless. Of is there. After that, the definite article is used before the names of seas, rivers, deserts, and mountains. Very important. This is the ship crossed the Pacific Ocean. Delhi stands on the banks of the Yamuna, the Gangas. Okay, like this. The Sahara is a famous desert. Uh, they came across the Himalayas. So these are the things. The definite article is used before the names of large public buildings, like visited the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, the Buckingham Palace, the White House, like this. The definite article is used before the superlatives, the best, the worst. Okay, he is the best, he is the most. Okay, in superlative degree, before that we use the. The definite article is used before adjectives such as rich, poor, deaf, dumb, blind. Means these before these adjectives you use definite articles. We should help the blind, like this. We use definite article before the nationals of a country of or continent, like the Indians, the British, the Japanese, the Chinese, some of the Europeans, like this. We use the definite articles before the names of trains and ships, like the Rajdhani Express. The Queen Elizabeth is a famous ship. Okay, so these are the uses. We have some rules, okay, that where we don't use definite articles the, so that we'll do later. Now we have the indefinite articles. There is only one rule, okay, and that is very important in all the cases and applicable also. Use a before countable noun, singular countable noun. A boy, a girl, a pen, a pencil, a book, a man, okay, a tree. So this is countable noun, and before that we use a. So these words is having consonant sounds. Consonant sounds we have 21 consonants and 5 vowels. So when we have vowel sound, so we use an. Okay, like an umbrella. Or is there? An elephant. E is there. So we will see the sound, that if it is vowel sound we use an, and if it is consonant sound we use a. Simple rules. Now see the uses, but some exceptions are there. Generally rules are taught that the words, the singular noun that begins with a, e, I, o, u, we use an, but that is wrong, because of the sound like C. An European is wrong answer. An European, because e is used there, but the sound is u. So that's why it is a consonant sound, not the vowel sound. So you'll see there, we use an before words which begins with vowel sound. Same thing, an orange, an Indian. Some words begin with a silent, so we use an before them. Means like an honest man. So H is silent here. An hour. H is silent here. The an IR. So H is wherever H is silent there, we use an. We use a or an before singular count, like Kolkata is a big city. The dog is an animal. We use a or an before the names of occupations and professions, like his father is an engineer. He is a pilot, like this. We use a before little, a few. There is a change in the meaning of these words. A few is used a few is used with plural countable nouns and a little with uncountable nouns. This is the difference. Few means not many. We will do this, okay, in article. In determiners, where is used few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little. So you'll see the explanation here in the file. We use a and before an adjectives in a noun phrase, like she is a good girl. So here a is there. She told me an interesting story. An interesting story. We use an with abbreviation beginning with the following letters. And these letters, sounds like vowel sound, like A, F, H, I, L, M, N, O, R, S, X. Just don't read this. You just try to understand, try to pronounce, try to speak and find out if the word is having, consonant sound or vowel sound. If it is o, a, e, u, u, okay, then it is a vowel sound. And if it is like a, b, c, d, f, g, like this, so you will use a only. Now see, like an MP, an MLA. So here MP, when you write an in MP, EMP, IMP. So A is easier. So MP, NRI. So it is A is there. She got an X-ray. So here N is there. So this is the use. We use the indefinite article before certain nouns considered as a single unit, like she bought a knife and fork. The old lady had a cup and a saucer in her hand. So these are the uses, okay. We will see that where these are not used. So I have given you the, fill in the blanks, use a and, okay. Then again we have given you the answer key. You will do that, okay, and match the answer. Put in a and or the wherever necessary. Something somewhere is missing there, but I have done this. You please do the answer and match your answers with the answer key. Again, right now the things we have done, you do that, okay, and share me the score. Thank you very much. All the best. God bless you all.